Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the latest Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're going to show you a demonstration of the Ancel FX3000 kit, which will hopefully show us why we've got these warning lights on screen. Well, I know it will, but it's just a demonstration of the tool in action and how it works in the real world. We're in a Nissan Qashqai right now. We've got the ABS light, the traction control, ABS ESP off warning light. So using this tool, we've got it plugged into the diagnostic port. One thing I will say is that this kit unfortunately is subject to clones and fakes on the market. So if you want to make sure you're getting your hands on a genuine piece, a genuine kit, then by all means click the link in the description below this video. That's going to make sure you are taken to the genuine product. Okay, so we're going to click onto diagnose, we're going to click onto scan, and we're going to go through and find our manufacturer, which is Nissan. It's a very easy to use tool, this one, I would say. Feels really good in the hand, and the buttons have a really nice soft touch press. So we're going to manually select the system, which is the ABS, and it's going to get us into a screen where we can read the fault codes. We've already done this previously to making this video actually, so we know exactly what's going to happen. It's just sort of trying to talk you through the way it would work in the real world. So we're just trying to get a connection here. Alright, so we can read fault data, and it's telling us C1102 is the fault code, and we've got rear left hand sensor. So we found what we've done is actually we've replaced the rear left hand ABS sensor, but we're still getting the warning lights, we're still getting the fault code on screen there. So what we'd say to do is, once you've put the new sensor in, all you need to do is come back to the tool, click onto erase fault data, click OK. Clear diagnostic code successfully, so we'll go in and read the faults again. It should say there were no faults. There we go. Now we've still got the warning lights on here, so what you generally need to do is, if they don't go off straight away, because it depends on the vehicle whether they could turn off straight away when you erase the codes, or if you just do a quick reset. So we're going to turn the key off and then turn it back on, and you should see in this car they should turn off. There we go, they've all gone. And it's all thanks to the Ancel FX3000. Now, as I say, I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video, because oops a daisy, some wipers going on. There are fakes, there are clones, unfortunately, so you need to be aware of that, and you need to make sure that you don't go down that route. But in any case, please follow the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.